Hi grades 3. So for this week, for your spelling list, we will be looking at adding plural to words that end, or adding S or ES to words that end in silent E. Okay, so I'm gonna be holding up these word cards, and this will be your list, your spelling list for this week. So please remember, when I am holding up these cards, you need to write them down in your spelling book, and then you need to write them ×2 the next day. So this is your word list for this week. And again, we are looking at our base words, and then we are adding, so these words will be ending in silent E. All of these words, they will end in silent E. We are going to add S to them to make them plural. So they're singular. If there was just E, if there's no S or ES, that means it's singular. But all of these words, they will be in plural. What does the word plural mean? It means more than one. So if you said that, you were absolutely right. So here we go. I'm going to hold these cards up. You just need to remember to write them down, because this is your list, your spelling list for this week. So my first word is votes. Now, if you look, I added my S to show that it's more than one. The word, so my base word is vote. And I added my S, and it became votes. My next word is frames. So the base word is frame, but I added my S to show that it's more than one. My next word is plates. Again, my base word would be singular. That means just one. So it would be just one plate. We don't say, if I only have one plate, I would say I have one plate. I don't say I have one plates. Then I added my S to my base word, which was just plate, and it became plates. My next word is hoses. So my base word would be hose. And I added my S to show that it's more than one. Then my next word is brakes. See if you can find the base word in the word brakes. What would be my base word? So my base word would be brake. So it's one. When I add my S, it becomes brakes. My next word is games. What would be my base word? Game, that's right. Without my S, that's my base word, it's just one. With my S, that's plural. My next word is grapes. See if you can find the base word. So the base word would be without the S. So it would be grape. When I add my S, it becomes grapes, more than one. My next word is lakes. Again, when I add my S to my silent E, it becomes plural, and it becomes lakes, so more than one. My next word is bones. Again, silent E, I add my S, and it becomes plural, more than one. Bones. My last one is miles. So here's my silent E. I added my S, and it became miles. So grades 3, this was your list, your spelling list for this week. I hope that you copied all your words down, because so whenever you watch the video, the next day, remember to write your words ×2. Now the last thing we have to do is saying our sentences, and you get to copy them down. So I am going to send a list of sentences home, and you are going to, your parents or whoever is taking care of you, they're going to say those sentences, they're going to dictate those sentences to you, and you get to write them. And once you're done, the list will show you whether you spelled your words correctly or not.